You can start side hustles with no investment by offering services like becoming a virtual assistant or online tutor, leveraging skills like freelance writing or pet sitting, or finding gigs on platforms for tasks like online surveys or content transcription. These options require no money upfront and can be started using skills you already have or by taking advantage of free online resources and platforms. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 side hustles you can start today with no investment. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Become a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is one of the best and most realistic side hustles you can start with absolutely no money, especially in today's digital age where businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly seeking help to manage their workload remotely. As a virtual assistant, or VA, you can provide a wide range of services such as email management, data entry, scheduling appointments, social media posting, research, customer support, or even simple administrative tasks. The beauty of this opportunity is that you don't need expensive equipment or a fancy office. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and good communication skills. You can start small by offering your services on free platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, or even reach out directly to small business owners on LinkedIn and Instagram. Many entrepreneurs are willing to give beginners a chance as long as you're reliable and eager to learn. Over time, as you gain experience, you can niche down into higher-paying specialties like social media management, content creation, podcast editing, or virtual project management. What starts as a side hustle can quickly turn into a steady source of income because businesses are increasingly outsourcing tasks to save time and money. The best part about being a virtual assistant is the flexibility. It allows you to set your own hours, choose your clients, and work from anywhere in the world. You could be working from your home, a cafe, or even while traveling. There's no startup costs, no fancy degree required, and the skills you build, organization, communication, and digital literacy, are valuable across all industries. If you're disciplined, proactive, and committed to delivering great results, this simple, zero-investment side hustle can grow into a thriving online career that gives you both financial freedom and lifestyle flexibility. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another amazing side hustle you can start with absolutely no money, especially if you have a talent for explaining concepts or a strong grasp of a particular subject. Whether it's math, English, science, or even a creative skill like music or art, there's always someone out there looking to learn and willing to pay for your guidance. You don't need a degree to start, just confidence in your subject, a stable internet connection, and a platform to connect with students. Websites like tutor.com, Preply, Cambly, and even social media platforms such as Facebook and TikTok make it easy to showcase your expertise and attract students from all over the world. You can begin by offering free or discounted trial sessions to build reviews and then gradually increase your rates as you gain experience. The flexibility is unbeatable. You can schedule sessions around your routine, teach from the comfort of your home, and even work with students across different time zones to maximize your income potential. Many successful tutors start by teaching part-time but soon turn it into a full-time career because the demand for personalized online learning keeps growing every year. You can even record lessons or create digital study materials to earn passive income later. With patience, passion, and consistency, online tutoring can become a rewarding side hustle that not only brings in extra income but also allows you to make a real difference in people's lives by helping them learn and succeed, all without spending a single penny to get started. 3. Graphic designing. Graphic designing is one of the most creative and profitable side hustles you can start with no money, using only your imagination and a few free online tools. If you enjoy creating visuals, designing layouts, or working with colors and typography, this side hustle can quickly turn your passion into profit. You don't need expensive software to begin. Free platforms like Canva, Figma, and Photopea allow you to design logos, social media posts, posters, and more without any upfront cost. Many small businesses, startups, and content creators are constantly in need of eye-catching visuals to build their brand, and they are often happy to hire freelance designers online. You can start by offering simple design services on Fiverr or Upwork, or even reach out to local businesses and offer to create free samples to build your portfolio. As you gain confidence, you can learn more advanced tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop through free YouTube tutorials and online courses. Over time, your design skills can open doors to more lucrative opportunities such as branding projects, website design, or creating marketing materials. What makes graphic design a perfect zero-cost side hustle is its scalability. You can work on your own schedule, take on as many clients as you want, and even sell your digital creations on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market for passive income. With creativity, consistency, and a strong online presence, you can build a name for yourself as a professional designer and transform the skill-based side hustle into a sustainable, full-time creative career, all starting from nothing but your artistic eye and a willingness to learn. 4. Video editing. Video editing is one of the most powerful and high-demand side hustles you can start with no money, especially in today's content-driven world where everyone from influencers to businesses needs engaging videos. If you enjoy storytelling, visuals, and creative work, this side hustle can quickly turn into a steady source of income. You don't need expensive software to begin. Free tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, and HitFilm Express offer professional-level features that let you cut, edit, add transitions, and enhance videos with sound effects and text overlays. Start by practicing on your own clips or editing short videos for friends, family, or small creators who need help polishing their content. You can then showcase your work on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok to attract clients, or list your services on Fiverr and Upwork to start earning. Businesses, coaches, and social media influencers are constantly seeking editors who can make their videos stand out online, so there's endless opportunity if you deliver quality and creativity. The best part about video editing is how fast it can grow. Once you gain experience, you can specialize in YouTube editing, social media reels, corporate videos, or even short-form content for TikTok and Instagram. You can charge per project, per minute of video, or even create subscription packages for regular clients. Over time, this no-cost side hustle can become a full-fledged career, giving you the freedom to work remotely, collaborate with clients worldwide, and express your creativity daily. All you need to start is curiosity, consistency, and a bit of patience to learn. And soon, your editing skill can turn into a thriving online business that pays you to do what you love. 5. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the most accessible and flexible side hustles you can start with absolutely no money, and it's perfect for anyone who enjoys expressing ideas through words. Whether you're passionate about lifestyle, health, technology, or storytelling, there's a constant demand for skilled writers who can create engaging blog posts, website content, product descriptions, or social media captions. The best part is, you don't need fancy tools or professional experience to begin. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a good grasp of grammar and communication. Many small businesses and online brands are willing to pay beginners who deliver quality and meet deadlines. Over time, as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can raise your rates and specialize in high-paying niches like copywriting, SEO writing, technical writing, or ghostwriting for blogs and ebooks. Freelance writing not only allows you to work from anywhere, but also gives you complete control over your schedule. You choose the clients, projects, and topics that interest you most. Plus, the skills you build, research, storytelling, and communication, are valuable in nearly every profession. With dedication and consistency, you can transform the zero-cost side hustle into a sustainable online career, where your words have the power to inform, inspire, and generate income, all while doing something you genuinely enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.